Hi friends, I'm Kintal Unay Kumar, studying B Pharmacy first year in Maharaja College of Pharmacy. Today I go with a seminar on the topic jaundice. We will go with this. We all know normally jaundice we studied it is a disorder of digestive system. Now I will discuss only about cause, symptom, pathophysiology and treatment of jaundice. Here we will go this jaundice. Normally we listen if anybody got jaundice means turning, that means yellowing of skin and eyes. Mainly jaundice is a affect by liver. You can see here. Simple way we learned that in earlier class. Yellowing is from accumulate bilirubin in the skin, often caused by liver and gallbladder disorders. In a simple way, you can say jaundice is caused by accumulation of bilirubin. In a simple sentence, we will say that. So we'll go with this cause. Normally, you can see here. Jaundice is caused by building of bilirubin, a waste material in the blood. An inflamed liver or obstructed bile duct can lead to jaundice as well as other underlying conditions. Normally, during liver inflammation, jaundice causes. How it means? Inflamed liver may produce excess bile in the blood. That means that release excess bile, and sometimes blockage of bile duct may cause excess bilirubin release into the blood. And jaundice in newborn babies is common because newborn babies' liver may not mature enough to clean out bilirubin. See, newborn babies' liver may not develop completely, so due to normally, see, newborn baby's liver does not develop completely, so it may completely, that means it may not filter the bilirubin. And go with symptoms. Symptoms include yellowing tinge to the skin and white of eyes, dark urine, itchiness. See, we all know jaundice that's in symptoms. Sorry, symptoms: yellowing of eyes and skin due to accumulation of bilirubin. Sometimes without jaundice also turns yellow due to too much beta carotene eaten called pseudojaundice. Here, sometimes without jaundice also skin turns yellow. It's due to increase in quantity of beta carotene in the body. That's called as pseudojaundice because both has equal symptoms. So due to yellowing of skin by the beta carotene called as pseudojaundice. Okay, we'll go with this. Pathophysiology of jaundice. Pathophysiology, normally what is meant by pathophysiology, I think you all know that it explains the functional changes that occurs within the individual due to disease or pathogenic state. That means what is the and sorry functional changes that are occurred within the individual due to disease. Pathophysiology explains the how the disease occurs. Here, pathology of jaundice we can see here. Jaundice results from high level of bilirubin in the blood. Bilirubin is the normal breakdown product from the catabolism of heme, and that is formed from the destruction of RBC cells. Under normal circumstances, bilirubin undergoes conjugation within the liver, making it water soluble. Normally, we all know RBC lifetime is 120 days. At last, it will die and release hemoglobin into the blood. That hemoglobin undergoes catabolism to form bilirubin. We learned in biochemistry that see catabolism of heme, the end product is bilirubin. By that process occurs here. Catabolism of heme. The end product is bilirubin that releases in the blood and causes jaundice. By bilirubin will be carried to skin and eyes through blood, and skin and eyes collect bilirubin. Okay, we'll go with these symptoms. Sorry, treatment. There is no treatment for jaundice as such, but disease can be managed. And symptoms, managing symptoms and cause of jaundice. In treating prehepatic jaundice, the objective is to prevent the rapid breakdown of RBC cells that causes the level of bilirubin to build up in the blood. I already said due to breakdown of RBC, heme releases and undergoes catabolism. If jaundice is caused by liver, then it will be improved by its own. I think you all understood this. If jaundice is caused by liver, then it will be improved by its own. There is no explanation for this. If it is caused by blockage of bile duct, then surgery is needed to unblock the bile duct. Sometimes bile content increases in the blood due to blockage of bile duct, and surgery is needed to unblock it. And sometimes pregnancy may cause temporary jaundice. This will be go away after the baby delivered. Pregnancy may cause sometimes temporary jaundice. This will be go away after the baby delivered. I think you all understood about jaundice. Thank you.